Halkidiki, in northern Greece, is the perfect place for a summer escape. But beyond the beaches and familiar water attractions, another adventure awaits. Today, we're leaving the shore behind to discover the Aegean from a different perspective, cruising between the majestic coast of Mount Athos and the beautiful peninsula of Sithonia. We chose this full-day cruise because it offers something quite different from an ordinary day at the beach. Instead of staying in one place, the entire day becomes a relaxed journey across the Aegean, with time to enjoy the sea, the coastline, and the changing scenery around us. Leaving the harbor of Ouranoupoli, we slowly leave the busy coastline behind. The town becomes smaller in the distance, the sea opens before us, and the pace of the day changes completely. There is no rush, just the sound of the water, the breeze, and the feeling of being out at sea. What makes this trip especially appealing is the variety. During the day, we have time to visit and enjoy 2 different beaches, each offering its own scenery and atmosphere. Later, the boat heads towards the Blue Lagoon, where we stop for swimming, diving, and jumping into the crystal clear water. Once we leave the coast behind, the rhythm of the day changes. There is nowhere we need to be in a hurry. The sea stretches in every direction, the sun is warm, and for a while, there is nothing to do but sit back and enjoy the journey. From time to time, another boat crosses our path, reminding us that we are not the only ones drawn to these waters. Small rocky islands appear and disappear on the horizon, each one adding another detail to this beautiful Aegean landscape. Perhaps one of the nicest surprises of a journey like this is the people you meet along the way. A shared table, a few words, a smile, a conversation with someone you've never met before. And then, on the horizon, Mount Athos slowly comes into view. Its unmistakable silhouette rises above the sea, quiet and majestic. Seagulls glide in the distance, carried by the same warm breeze that moves across the water. And somewhere ahead, our first stop is waiting. And then, slowly, another unmistakable sign that this is Greece begins to fill the air, the aroma of meat cooking over the grill. We have about an hour and a half here, with nowhere else to go and nothing we need to hurry for. The water is warm, the beach is quiet, and the only decision to make is whether to stay in the shade or take another swim. Our first stop is a small, uninhabited island, where a beautiful beach is waiting for us. Despite its remote location, everything is perfectly prepared for a relaxing afternoon. Comfortable sunbeds, umbrellas, and all you need to simply enjoy the sea. Soon, traditional Greek souvlaki is being served, tender pieces of pork and vegetables, grilled right here on the island. With the warm sea beside us, good food in front of us, and the afternoon stretching endlessly ahead, it feels as if time has simply stopped. And for a moment, you really don't want it to start again. But our journey is far from over. We leave the quiet beach behind and continue towards one of the highlights of the day, the legendary Blue Lagoon. As the boat approaches, the color of the sea begins to change. Deep blue slowly gives way to brilliant shades of emerald and turquoise, and suddenly everyone is ready for the same thing, to get into the water. Here, everyone gets a chance to show their skills. Some choose a graceful dive, others go for a spectacular jump, while a few simply prefer to swim and enjoy the incredible clarity of the water. The Blue Lagoon is the kind of place where age doesn't really matter. For a while, everyone becomes a child again, waiting for the next jump and cheering for the bravest ones. And of course, there has to be a little competition. At the end, the best performers receive their very own certificate, proof that they have officially conquered the Blue Lagoon. After a day full of swimming, sunshine, and a little adventure, we're feeling pleasantly tired. But there is still one last stop ahead. We continue towards Banana Beach on the island of Ammouliani, where we will spend the final hour of our journey. The atmosphere here is completely different. Fine sand beneath our feet, warm water in front of us, and plenty of space to simply slow down. After everything we've experienced today, this is exactly what we need. There is something special about the final hour of a journey. You know that the day is coming to an end, and somehow you start appreciating every little moment a little more. Another swim, another look at the sea, another warm afternoon under the Greek sun. The Aegean has given us a wonderful day, beautiful islands, crystal clear water, delicious food, laughter, and new friendships along the way. And perhaps this is what makes Greece so special, not only the beauty of the sea, but the warmth and friendliness of the people who welcome you. We leave with happy memories, a little more sun on our faces, and the feeling that one day was simply not enough. So, Greece, thank you for another beautiful summer. We'll be back next year.